In today's lecture, we will start our practical number 13. Okay. We have only two practical remaining, practical number 14 and practical number 13. So in today's lecture, we discuss and perform practical number 13. How you can create a mail and how you can send multiple people and what is CC and what is BCC in mail. Okay. Okay, guys, where is other student? Only four students are there. Okay, let me start our lecture. Practical number 13. In today's lecture, we start. Okay, so we will wait for again 2 minutes. Okay, then after we will start. Okay, let me start. That is enough time to join the meeting. Okay. What was the practical number 13? We already discussed practical number 13. So, what was the practical number 13? In which type of functionality we have to perform in practical number 13? Tell me first. We already discussed basic idea about practical number 13. What is a mail ID? Okay, in today's lecture, we perform. So, any idea about Gmail? First, I want to answer from your side. Then, after, I will explain you. Okay. Okay, tell me what is Gmail? No idea? Nobody know? Okay. First of all, we start email. Okay, no problem. I will explain you right now. First is how you can create a mail ID. Create an email ID and performs following task. First of all, you have to create a mail ID. Then after you have to write one invitation letter. Which type of invitation letter you have to uh, give an event invitation that is organized by your college. Okay. Then after make your own signature. So what is signature? Then after word attachment of one you route, so you have to send Google Map through Word document. Okay, we already discussed about what is Word. Then after send the email to at least five of your friends. So you have to send that mail your five friends. Then after what is CC and what is BC separate. Okay. So first of all, how you can create a email? Okay, do you know how you can create a email? Okay, we already discussed about how you can send a mail, but how you can create a Gmail or email? Anyone know? How you can create a mail? Yes, how you can create a mail? Tell me first. If you don't know, so I will show you step by step which are the process you have to create a mail ID. Okay. First of all, I will share my screen. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, how you can create a mail ID? First of all, I have already one mail ID open in. You have to add another account for in use another account. We have to create a one mail ID. So here, how you can create a account? My screen is visible? Yes or no? Everyone visible my screen? Okay. Okay, you can see how you can create a account. Okay. First of all, click on that create a account, and here two options are there for myself and to manage my business. Okay. So here we have to click on for myself. Then after you can add that all the details. Yes, yes. In mobile phone, you can go to settings. Otherwise, you can click your open mail ID. Then after you have that add another account. Okay. If you are going to these steps, so you can also create a new account. Then after here, you can write your first name, last name, whatever you have to fill in. So here I generally like Bob. Here I write randomly because this account I don't want to create. But what are the steps you have to follow for create an account? So I will explain you. Here again I will write a book. Then after username, which are the username you have to uh, put it your in your mail id. Okay, so here I can write bob 1234. Okay, then your gmail id was created bob1234 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, 567. Username was taken. What was the problem? I changed username and last name because some accounts are created for that name. And password will be you have to set which are the password you have to create it. So here I write any password. Then after confirm password. Then after next. The username is taken. Try another because of this type of username already. Okay. Done. All the details we put it already. Then after click on next. So your mail id was created. Then after you have to go to next button, so that all the information you have to fill it. Okay, then after if you are creating your mail id, then after you add use another account, then after you have to here write down your mail id, then next and put it your password. Okay, if write it down your mail ID, then after here in this box you have to write down your password. Then click on next, so your mail ID is open. Okay, then after the second is first step is clear. Create a how you can create a mail ID. First step is clear. Yes or no? How you can create a mail ID? Yes or no? Okay. Then after the second option is write an email inviting your friends about an event that going to be organized by your college. Okay. So you have to write down one invitation letter. So I have one demo letter. I have one demo letter. This is my demo letter. Okay. So first of all, we have to write it down invitation letter. So click on that compose. Okay, then after you can see here, this is a two. How many? Okay, how in this two you have to write down delivered the people mail ID. Okay, which are the people you have to send your invitation letter. Here you have to write that mail ID. Then after subject, which type of letter you can write down. So here I write normally invitation letter. Then after I already have one demo letter, so I copy and pasted. You can see first read it, then after I uh, said how you can set a signature. This is the invitation letter. You can see here. Read it. I will give you 2 minutes for read that content. Okay. Okay. Then after the second option is make your own signature and add to the email message. So what is a signature? Here I already write down my signature. That is my name and my designation and my department. So how you can say set that signature? I already explained how you can set a signature. Okay. So which are the steps you have to follow for signature? Signature is in each and every mail we have to add this type of content. So again and again, I don't want to write that content. So we can add that content in signature form. So it is fixed in our mail ID. Okay. For example, I again compose my mail ID. So you can see here my signature is fixed because each and every mail I want to put it in that content in a mail. Okay, so I put it this content in signature form. So what are the steps you have to follow for signature? So go to settings. Here am I minimize this screen, then after go to settings. Okay, go to this button settings. Okay, if you can click on that setting button, so that is the option available are there. In that option you have to select signature. Here the signature option are there, and write down my signature. In that box you have to put it your signature. For example, my signature already done, but I change in my signature regards, thanks and regards. Okay. Then after put it my name and my designation and my department. Then after only you have to write it down that content in that box. Then after scroll down, then click on save changes. Okay. If you click on save changes, so your signature will be done. I think in this mail ID not visible, but if you are again write it down new mail ID, so you can see here thanks and regards and my name and my designation and my department. Okay, you can see how you can add your signature. What are the steps you have to follow? Anyone have doubt or not? This is the most important point in Gmail. Okay, how you can add a signature? Okay, okay, okay. I will repeat you. What are how you can? Okay, Calvin. Now clear? How you can? If your mobile phone that are all the settings available, so you can edit. Okay, but different mobile have different features, so I can't say anything about mobile. But if you can use laptop, so this is definitely working. Okay, wait. I will see my mobile phone. That option as or working or not. Okay. You use which mobile phone? Android or iPhone? Okay, Elif, which mobile you have? Okay, Android phone, but I don't have Android phone, so no idea about Android phone. But if you are using iPhone, so in iPhone you have to click on your mail ID. I think both system have same process. Okay, so I randomly tell you if you are going to add a signature in your mobile phone, so you have to click on your mobile, then after open your Gmail. Okay, then after click on Gmail, there were some option available are there were settings option also available. Okay, so click on setting option. If you are setting, click on setting option. Then after you have to choose whatever mail ID, and that mail ID you have to create a signature. So click on particular mail ID. Then after some option available are there, that is a signature settings. If you are clicking on signature settings, so there were mobile signature option are available, so turn on mobile signature, then after you can add your signature in that mail id. Okay, so you can also add signature through your mobile phone. Okay, now understand. Yes, three line, then after click on the three line, so you look yes setting, then after click on journal and signature. Yes, correct, right, good. Okay, then after the signature is ready, then after add a attachment of the venue route. So how you can, okay, so how you can add a venue route. So what are the steps you have to follow for add a venue? But in that venue you have to put it in Word document. So first of all, I open a Word document. Okay, so my blank Word file. Click on blank document, so my blank document is ready. Then after you have to set your map invitation, your college address, so you have to click on that and go to drive. Otherwise here the Google application available are there were some maps available also. Okay, that maps, if you have don't have that Google application in map, so you can go, that is open it already, open. Okay, my drive is open. Then after click on that new. Okay, if you are clicking on new, there are the different option available are there to click on more. If you click on more, then Google My Maps. Click on that, Google My Maps. So you can click on Google My Maps. So your map is open. Okay, you can see your map is open, and here you have to write down your address. So for example, in my college I already organized my functions, so here I write it down, Marwadi University, Rajkot. Okay, click on that and go to search, so you can see here. Okay, then after address already done. So view in map. So you can see here your university is here, and share your friends. So click on that share. Then after untitled map, the map title is Marwadi University city, and description, here you can write any type of description of what type you have to write it down. Then okay. Okay, here you can write it down, the particular student's mail ID, your friend's mail ID. Otherwise, you have to click on that copy link. So I want to add that link in my Word document. So here I copy that link and put it in my blank document. Okay, so if you can click in on that link, so your map will be open. So first of all, I save that file because I have to attach that file in my invitation letter in my mail. Okay, so save that file and write it down. That file name is map. Okay, then save and close. You can also add image here. So what I type the what is what type of image you can edit. So here I, okay, got it, then done. So that type of image you can take that screenshot and you can also put it in your Word document. Okay, but here I only put that link, then after save it and close that. Save. Okay, my invitation letter is this, and how you can upload your document, Word document. So I click on that attach file, and where you can put it your map. So click on map. Okay, here my Word document is this. Then click on open. So you can see here my document is uploaded. So my third step is completed. Word document in venue root. Then after send it the email to at least 5 of your friends. Okay. So here you can write your 5 friends mail ID. In two, you have to write it down 5 friends mail ID. So here I normally randomly put it my personal mail ID only one. You can write here 5 friends mail ID. Then after add your subjects add your subjects faculty in email id in cc field and class coordinator email id in bcc field. Okay, so here the cc and bcc field are available. So in cc you have to write down your subject faculty. uh, so here I write down again my mail id. You can put it your CC and BCC according your field, and class coordinator also here write it down. So what is BCC and CC field? So BCC is blind carbon copy and CC is only carbon copy. So whatever sender and receiver, if we can take an example for sender and receiver. Sender means who is sending the mail, and receiver means who is receive the mails. Okay, again I repeat you, here I take one example regarding sender and receiver. So sender is who is send a mail, and receiver is who is receive the mail. Okay, so in CC field we, for example, we write it down multiple mail id in two field. Then after we, for example, here A, B, C in two we put it in reception mail ID A, B, and C. Okay. Then after in CC field we write it down only D mail ID. So what was the meaning of CC? So CC can see which type of the receivers sender can receive the mail. Okay. So CC, in CC we have a D mail ID. So D already seen. A, B, C also have received the mail. Then after CC, okay. In BCC field, only sender and BCC are seen the mail. What are the receiver are there in your mail ID? Okay. So you can see here. First, I see you through example. You can see here what is the CC and what is the BCC. So this is CC and this is BCC. First, read it so you can easily understand how you can identify CC and BCC. Okay, so read it first so you can easily understand what is CC and BCC. In CC means everyone seen the mail and receive. Okay, Pascal, I will take your presentation in the next lecture. Okay. In CC field, everyone seen the uh, uh, recipients list. In BCC field, only sender and BCC is seen. In CC field, they are not seen. And other recipients are not seen. Okay. So clear what is CC and BCC? If you have doubt in regarding CC and BCC, so tell me. Everyone clear? What is CC and BCC? Okay. So then after the CC and BCC field clear, so practical 13 is done. Okay. So how you can write it down in practical file? So I have a demo file for you. So you can see here, the first of all, you can write down your aim, practical 13, P13. Then after step 1, you have to create a mail ID. So after creating mail ID, step 1 is this. So this type of content you have to write it down. Then after step 2, how you can add a signature. So you can see here what are the steps you have to follow for signature. Okay. Then after step 3, so in step 3 you have to send your 5 friends. So here write it down your 5 friends mail ID. Then after how you can add a Google map when you root. So these steps already available are there. Prepare a Word document for Google map route, like you can also put it your screenshot. Otherwise go to Google Drive link, then click on Drive and more, so Google My Maps. Okay. Then after what is CC and BCC. Okay, done. Everyone clear how you can prepare a practical file for practical 13? Everyone clear how you can write practical 13? Yes, this document is prepared in Word document. So in step 1 you can also add a screenshot of your mail id. Okay, so you can see here, I have already write it down this invitation letter, so take this screenshot. Okay, if my minimize that screen, so that is minimize screen, then take your screenshot and put it in that step 1. Both are both are ready, both are similar things. If you can take the screenshot in put it here, otherwise you can also write it down, that type of content. Okay, now clear practical number 13. Anyone have any type of doubt, so tell me. Otherwise I open that demo file so you can see here. Yes, signature means easy to identify you, so you have to write it down in your signature, your name and roll number, and you can also add your department. Okay, so which are the signature you can add in your signature? So you can add your name, roll number, and your department name. Only three things, put it in your signature. And again I remove my that editing signature, because I already set my signature. Click on signature, see all settings. In here only I take my name, save changes. So you can see only my name and my details. Okay, done. Clear, everyone? Clear. So in the next lecture we start a practical number 14. Okay. So those who have a laptop with you, so everyone join with your meeting with your laptop, okay? Because I give you the steps how you can share a spreadsheet, and what are the steps you have to follow. Share a spreadsheet, document, whatever. If you don't have laptop, so don't worry. I will see you that type of process, how you can share a spreadsheet for different group, and how you can create a Google group. When we create a group in WhatsApp, so how you can create a group in Google. So we discuss that things in practical number 14. So in the next lecture we discuss about practical number 14. Okay. So now conclude our session. So everyone write it down your roll number in chat box. Okay, now you can leave the meeting. Your lecture was done.